which industry? I started off initially studying acting at Juilliard, and then I came home from school and left Juilliard to go home to San Francisco. I couldn't find acting work, so I started doing stand-up comedy. And then the stand-up comedy eventually led me back into acting, so I think it was kind of a backdoor thing. And then I got an audition initially for, if you're talking about getting into film and TV, I had an audition for a kind of a spin-off on Happy Days, because Gary Marshall's kid had seen Star Wars and wanted an alien on Star Wars, and Gary was like, I don't know if you can have an alien on Star Wars, and so I ended up writing this one-off character, Mork, to be on Happy Days, and I auditioned and got the part, and that was cool, it did well. And then eventually there was some commitment that Paramount had to ABC where they had to put a series on, so immediately they threw together Mork, and they found Pam, who had done a series, and they made Mork and Mindy, which was this big break for me. That was really kind of a lucky coincidence. The Discovery Channel. Always, just the fact that it talks about animal behavior. I'm watching monkeys most of the day. For me, that's always been my favorite thing to watch on TV. It's always the science channels, big time. My favorite thing, there was a thing on the Discovery Channel once, there's this one bird, beautiful male bird, that had this whole thing, he had plumage like this, he's doing this dance like, check it out, love me, check me out, love me, and the female just went, no. And you could see the male penguin go, bitch. This bird just was like, bitch, I gotta start over now. But that's why I love watching it. Real animals, real behavior, call now. Just keep going, find that thing you love, because it's tough work. And my father gave me this advice when I said I wanted to be an actor. He said, have a backup profession like welding. But I think if you can find that thing that really gives you joy, that'll be it. Because for me, it's always been comedy and stand-up and acting too, because of exploring behavior. But it's tough work, but if you can get it, even better. Good luck.